Hello and welcome back to Language Player. In this video, I'll show you how you can interact with annotated text. Let's get started. The subtitles you see here is an example of annotated text. That is, text in the foreign language, for example Chinese, that is interactive. That allows you to tap on each word and get a pop-up dictionary. This is what I call annotated text. It's annotated because you have the phonetics that's labeled on top or annotated on top. So this is called annotated text. Annotated text is not only found in subtitles. For example, here is a text that I have pasted in, and in the reader, it shows me the text in this annotated text form. With these annotated text, we can do a few things. For example, we can tap on the right-hand side corner's triple dot icon. We can get a translation of it. You tap on it and you see the translation showing on the side. You can also let ChatGPT explain it, and then we'll get an explanation of that sentence with ChatGPT. You can also copy it, for example, right? Because this, once it's annotated, it's very hard to copy. So what you can do is you can tap on the three dots and then copy the text. Now the text is in the clipboard and you can paste it wherever you want. Or you can tap on the three dots again and then choose read aloud. You can also edit the text. For example, let's change 金阁寺 to 东大寺. And now the text is changed and it's re-annotated. Another example of annotated text is under the Examples tab under the dictionary. Here, we also see these action buttons to the right of each annotated line. We can tap on it and then, for example, tap Get Translation. So here we get a translation of that line. We can keep going and study each example. We can also, of course, let ChatGPT explain the line. Let's go back to collocations and see what other things we can do with each phrase. For example, I can tap on the action button again and then choose Save as Phrase. So this will save that line that we just acted on as a phrase in my phrasebook. This concept, phrases and phrasebooks, will be explained in a later video. But for now, you can know that you can go to Dictionary and then go to More and then go to My Phrases to manage the phrases you have saved. For example, here, this is the phrase that we have just saved from the dictionary. And that's how you can interact with annotated text in Language Player. I'll see you in the next video.